Hi everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val, where I make unboxing videos of subscription boxes that I'm subscribed to. Today's video is Ipsy! Okay, so today's video is Ipsy. That means it's Wednesday, and I'm excited to, well, actually, I'll be honest with you, I'm thinking, you know what, let's preface this. Okay, so I think I might stop Ipsy as a subscription. Either stop it as a subscription or keep it as a subscription but not make videos on it. I feel like it's not, I feel like not a lot of you enjoy watching Ipsy, just from what I've seen from the views on my past Ipsy unboxings or unbaggings, whatever you want to call it. So I might stop making Ipsy unbagging, unboxing, and just instead of this one, do a few different ones or try some new ones. So this one, and actually my August one, will probably be the last one you see on this channel. Who knows, maybe I'll bring it back to my YouTube channel in the next few months or, you know, in the future. But I do think that August 2023 for Ipsy will be my last video that I do with Ipsy. And I will be focusing on other subscriptions or replacing Ipsy for another subscription. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you all know that. This is July, Ipsy, July 2023. It did take me a while to film this, but now here we are filming this. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so we've opened it. Ooh, and it looks like we got a little information card on the products that we're going to get. July's theme is the Great Escape, so escape to vacation, you know, from work. It does say July 2023, pack your makeup bags because this month we've got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. Whether you're planning a summer vacation or a much-needed mental escape, all your must-have will fit inside your new bag. A refreshments takeover. Okay. So I'm gonna put that there. This is the bag, and this is, I guess, the bag that they typically would use for a refreshments bag. I'll be honest with you, when I saw the spoiler for July's bag, I was a little bummed out. I kind of do like their cute little rectangle bags, and this one just, it's, you know, it's different. I guess it's good. It would be a good bag to pack with you. It's more like, feels like travel-y, more, you know, travel friendly bag. But I do like their little rectangle ones that they do send every month. So let's go ahead and open it. Well, I guess this one's rectangle, right? But it's like that. It's not the zipper or the button. Okay, anyways, let's get into the video and start opening and showing our products. Okay, so the first product on here is, actually it chose this one. This is the Dew of the Gods Cutie Fruities mini set fruit extract blemish stickers for a total of 18 blemish stickers. The next product is the Keys Soulcare Golden Facial Cleanser. This is the box. Now let me just open it. Ow. There was tape on there, and I don't really have anything to open the tape. Anyways, so this is the packaging, or the container it comes in. Now, is it golden? Because it says golden cleanser. It smells really good. I'm not gonna put any on my finger because I don't want my hands to be soapy. But this is the product. The next product that we've received is the Niablend, or ToyFactory Niablend, a serum concealer in the shade medium. The next product that we receive is a Sweet Street product, and we've received Sweet Street from Ipsy before. It is another duo. It's a LA Lady Eyeshadow Duo. And I will open it and show you guys. And for your information, I did want to let you know, for any of the products that I don't keep, I do list on Poshmark, so I can have my Poshmark down below, link down below. Or I am a part of a Facebook group, buy, sell, trade Facebook group for different Ipsy, or no, for different subscription boxes, and I can have that link down below because I don't know, I don't want to keep anything that I don't want to use, or I give it away to friends. If any of my friends are interested, then I might give them to them. But that's just one thing that I wanted to let you know, because I'm not an eyeshadow person. I don't even put makeup that much for videos or just in my daily life, and especially eyeshadow. I'm not good with eyeshadow or eyeliner, so if any of you are interested in products like those, then let me know, and I can, like I said, my Poshmark will be linked down below, and so will that Facebook group. Okay, and the last product that we got was the Hear Me Raw, the Detoxifier with Charcoal Purifying Rub-Off Mask. Okay, so now let's read about the products. And for my Mindful Souls videos, normally I turn you guys around so you guys can see my wall, but this time I'm just gonna stay like this. Okay, so the moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued up to $70 are yours. So the first product that it talks about is a Sweet Street eyeshadow duo, I should say. And it says, this golden bronze eyeshadow duo will quickly become your go-to for easy eye looks. The matte shade is perfect for all over color and blending, while the shimmer shade adds dimension and a touch of sparkle. The tip is to use your favorite eyeshadow brush to pack and blend shades onto your lids. This is the deluxe sample, and the MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $42. The next product is the Hear Me Raw, the Detoxifier with Charcoal and Purifying Rub-Off Mask. If a skin detox is on your to-do list, this purifying mask is for you. It's packed with activated charcoal, Irish moss, and Chinese ginseng to help give you fresh, glowing skin in just 15 minutes. The rub-off formula gently exfoliates and removes dirt and impurities to help leave you with soft, smooth skin. The tip is to leave on for 15 minutes, then rub into your skin to exfoliate before washing off. This is the deluxe sample, and the full-size version of the product is also $42. I also wanted to let you know that I do leave a link to every product that I receive down below in the description box, just so if any of you are interested in any of the products, you can go to that link. It's either from the company itself, Sephora, maybe if it's on Sephora, or Ulta, just depends on the link that I find. I try and stick to the company or Ipsy or Ulta and Sephora, just because I feel like Ulta and Sephora are more trusted brands. And of course the company, that's, you know, where it came from. So back to reading on the products. We've got the Keys Soulcare Golden Cleanser, and it says this cleanser is the golden ticket to a calm complexion with the powder of turmeric, manuka honey, and chamomile. The cleanser removes dirt, makeup, and impurities while leaving your skin feeling cleansed and soft. Tip is to massage for 30 to 60 seconds over damp skin through a cleanse. And the MSRP of the full-size version of the product is $22. I hope I like this. I love Ipsy's cleansers that they've sent me. I've actually bought one full-size. It was the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. I love that cleanser. I got 2 of those actually, and I love that cleanser a lot. Can't stress how much I love it. If I like this one, then maybe I might have to try out the full size. And even their serums, I've gotten one serum of theirs full size. It was the Tony Moly Watermelon Serum. Loved that. And then also some of their face lotions, actually probably one of their face lotions, let's be real. It was their Hey Honey face lotion. I have all of those full size right now that I'm currently using, and maybe this might be another one that I have to try out full size if I'd like it. The next product is the Do of the Gods Cutie Fruities Blemish stickers. And it says, "Hey Cutie, these fun and fruity stick-ons are your secret weapon against pesky pimples. Hydrocolloid helps to clean and neutralize your blemishes, while citric acid, vitamin C, and tea tree oil help to calm, tone, and exfoliate them. Tip: for best results, wear the stickers overnight or for at least 5 hours. The MSRP of the full-size version of the product, 10 sheets, is $20. And there's 18 blemish stickers here. Okay, next and last product is a ToyFactory Niablend Serum Concealer in medium. So, this one. Meet your new BFF for a flawless complexion, a concealer that's rich in vitamin B3 to help nourish and improve your skin's texture while providing buildable coverage. This anti-caking formula helps give you a natural lightweight finish while keeping your skin hydrated and dewy. Tip is to blend with your fingers for quick and easy touch-ups. The MSRP of the full-size version of this product is $32. So that was all that I received in Ipsy. I only received 5 products, no add-ons this month, no add-ons for August either. So like I said, if any of you are interested in any of the products, I do link them all down below in list form. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I will also leave my Poshmark link down below, just in case you're interested in any of the products that I don't plan to keep, or I will link that Facebook group down below too. Maybe some of you are a part of it, who knows. Anyways, I'm going to end that video here. Go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!